St. Mary's group of institutions is solving one of the biggest problems in India today. Now, what is this big problem which I'm talking about? Well, while a civil engineer with 3 months of software coaching is able to get a software job, many BTech computer science students, even though they've done a 4 years course, they're not able to get a software job. Why is this happening? Where are we failing as a country? We believe there are 3 reasons. Point number 1, students do not want to do engineering, they do not want to take up software, they do it purely because of parental pressure. Problem number 2, students don't get to experience the real taste of engineering, right? Unless you're in a real project, when you're working in a company and your project is being used by lots of people, you don't get the real taste of engineering. That's problem number 2. Problem number 3, today technologies change every 3 to 5 years. There was AngularJS, then there's React.js, now there's Next.js. So the technologies are coming in. Now students are taught with important questions, important answers in 11th and 12th, and they use guides to pass engineering entrances. Now these students struggle to adapt to new technologies because they've never been in the path of self-learning, right? And going back to my second point, it's something like this. If you cook something, somebody tastes your food and they're like, you get the kick out of it and you feel like cooking again and again and again. In a similar manner, when you write your code and somebody else uses that application which works with your code, you want to do more and more of it, right? So St. Mary's institution is looking to solve all these 3 problems through a kick-ass initiative, a first of its kind initiative in India, the St. Mary's Software Hub. St. Mary's Software Hub is a software company owned by the college itself. The college itself has started a software company. The college is picking up software projects from different parts of India, be it an NGO or a government or a startup who can't afford to have an in-house technology team, who may not have a CTO to build the technology. They can come to St. Mary's, and St. Mary's is going to understand their requirements, and our project managers, which are actually our faculty. We are having industry professionals as our faculty. They're both faculty as well as project managers. They would understand the requirements, break it into pieces, give those pieces to students so students can build those real projects. So in this process, students will have to self-learn a lot because every project is a new project. Students get to solve real world problems. And of course, now they'll be able to see the real taste of engineering. It's okay if parent has forced them into software, but now they'll have their own why, their own personal why as to why am I doing this software engineering. So this, we believe, will help India in producing high quality software developers. Today, India wants to go into the innovation space, right? We are done serving the West. We were following the orders of the West. Now India wants to do its own innovation. So while India is embarking on this journey of innovation, St. Mary's group of institutions, Deshmukhi, is trying to launch a very new initiative to increase the quality of software talent in India. So you're welcome to come here and experience this world-class education. Thank you.